We now return to Ask a Roofer.
What's your favorite work snack?
Raw nuts. A protein bar.
Oh, go-to work snack have to be nuts.
Anything crunchy and salty.
Almonds.
Like those Chomps bars or like beef jerky.